Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been here before, we do, let me do this again. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Liz. My other half is Russ. He's at work right now. And today I'm going to can pineapple. And I didn't realize how easy it was. I don't need my pressure canner because they're acidic. So that's the only time you really need a pressure canner for, is when something has low acidity. And my local grocery store has them for 99 cents. And I know another one had it for 89, and I've totally missed it. And I was a little upset I didn't take advantage of it. Well, we have a total of 9, but we used one because we started juicing, and it's actually really tastes good. And I've got 8 left. So I think I'm gonna do 4, see how many jars I get done. And we're continuing to juice obviously every day, so I don't know how much of that pineapple I'm gonna need. The sale goes on till Christmas, so today's Tuesday, so I really could go back and get even more. But let me see how many jars these 4 give me, and I'm just gonna do the little pints. I'm short on cord anyway. Another problem that I'm going to have though is I don't have any room in my pantry. So I got to think of something where to put these. I just can't miss out on 99-cent pineapple. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me go get my knife and a little garbage, and I'm going to chop them up. I'll be right back. Okay, I would like to do this standing up. So I might switch to standing up. My counter has got my juicing machine drying, so I lost that space. All right, let me move you down. Now the juicer we have isn't that powerful, so we don't put the outside part on or through there. I'm gonna have to stand. Well, that's not gonna work, hey? You're gonna jump all over, aren't you, with me? I'll just start this and then we'll do a before and after, hey? Someone commented that I should put the rind or the outside part in a pot of water and boil them to get some juice out. At this moment, I'm not going to do that. Now, sometimes my grocery store has these already cored, and they did. However, they were $1.99. Wow. I've also noticed that when you buy them already cored, they just put it in the machine, obviously, but then you're going to lose a lot more than if you do it yourself. Get the yuck out of the way. Now I want to get all this stuff off. Because otherwise when you can it just gets hard. And I don't want that. Come on. Wow. There we go. My jars are actually in my dishwasher getting sanitized. I figured that would give me time to get these chopped up. And then maybe I can take a little break after. Okay. I'll cut that little piece out. Not sure, it looks a little white. It's probably nothing, but it could be nothing, could really be something, right? You never know. I also had these in a container upside down so that the sugar stays throughout the whole pineapple. Because when they stand up straight, it just sinks to the bottom, right? So if you put them in something where they can be upside down, that helps distribute the sugars. It almost seems like it's still a little bit of the core. I think I got it all, yeah. Definitely. I think I'm gonna get quite a few jars. See, and there's that white stuff again. So I just don't know what it is. It's probably nothing. Suppose I should pull that up more. Yep, I pretty much got the core, didn't I? This side looks okay. I guess I should take those little pieces off. All right, that's one. So I'll bring you back when I get the other three done. All right, that's it. It's all four. Ugh, all right. I got a lot to clean up anyway. All right, filled my bowl. Cleanup time. Okay, so my jars are done. Counted out my lids. My lids are boiling. I still do it. Here's my sugar and water. 5 cups water, 1 cup sugar, and that'll go to fill it. And I got my water. Oh, you can't see. Well, sorry. Starting to heat. Okay. So let's start filling. Okay. All right, I'm gonna fill them to the 1 inch mark, which is basically the bottom of this is the 1 inch. So you can see I can get a couple more in there. All right, I'll do one more so you can see. This smells so good. It's just fresh pineapple. Put one more. That might be too big. Okay. So there. Alright, so now I'll take it to the next step. I always clean these with a little bit of vinegar. So I'll just show you how I'm doing these two. I need this again. I'm not going to use this one. There we go. Hi, Maggie. And my phone. So it only needs to go to the 1/2 inch. So in the middle of that ring part. But basically, I think I'm going to do it so it just covers the pineapple. So I need a little bit more. Then, sometimes I forget this part. I've been lucky. Push all this down, get all the bubbles out, and I see I splurged a little here. Then this is a largemouth. Oh, Russ, show him what you made for me. So Russ made this for me. Makes my life a lot easier. Small, or regular, and large, and then this can be hung out of the way. Spectacular. I love it. Now my nose is running. Okay, thank you for your help. And I'm gonna just start putting these in here. All right, I'll show you one more. I'm gonna let you go. Pop the bubbles out. I have 12 jars ready, so we'll see if I need to finish and make more. And then this is also a largemouth. Doesn't feel right. That feels better. All right, I'll bring you back when I have them all in there.
No.
It wasn't?
No.
Okay, so now I got all 7 in there. I think we have enough for 5 more. Now you gotta cover these for like 1 inch of water. So that one's kind of tall, so I gotta keep going. Maybe one more. Yep, probably one more. We gotta get that water on the floor. I'll do one more. I'm worried about that one.
I didn't know they had to be covered.
Yeah. That's good. Okay. So now it's hot, but it's not hot. Boiling. So when this starts to boil, 20 minutes. That's all it takes. Okay. So I'll show you what they look like when they're done. But I gotta wait first till it boils, and then I start my timer at 20 minutes. Okay. All right. 20 minutes are up.
15.
Well, 15. But it doesn't hurt to have 20. Come on. It looks great. You know, the color.
It's floating a little.
That's fine. But the color stayed true. Doesn't look like any, you know, overspilled, whatever. Boiled out, yeah. And I don't smell pineapple juice in the pot, so that means it must be good. Now we just gotta start counting to see how many pop. After that beautiful sunset, sure got dark quick. All right. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to make you watch the second round. So that's... I should turn the light on. Hold on. There you go. That looked pretty good. So this is all we had left. That's it from 4 pineapple. And I got a dozen pints done. So thank you for watching. If you could hit the like and subscribe, and then you'll know the next time that I post a video. So I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.